Hello, hello, my name is Sorry, and today I want to talk about HTML because I am only experiencing now. Welcome to my small HTML project, my profile project. In this project, I will use the basic HTML tag like header, like header, name, and the footer. At the log, at the top, I will add I will add header with the title my profile. And then we interested my photo and write a short introduction about myself. Hello, my name is I am Lisa Story and the dedicated learner and knowledgeable who enjoy learning mm, new technology. And like below that I made a hobbies sections which include cooking, singing, exploring new places, reading, exploring new skills. At the end of the page, there footer can say, at 2025 my website, alright, is there. So this is my last day. I am writing footer. So my HTML board system. Now I am running. This is my profile page. Now you see very wonderful, but maybe I'm still generally this time I am CSS using, so my profile website is very wonderful. So now done. This is only my HTML code. I'm not using CSS, so that's one now done. So thank you for watching this my video and see again in next episode in our course courses HTML. I know. So now done. Thank you for watching my video.